Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna have another little how-to video here. This is how I decommission my hot tub for the summertime if I'm just tired of having to keep treating the water because I'm not getting in the hot tub because I'm on the boat. So most time midsummer I'll just shut it down and say I'm not using it enough. Just gonna focus on hanging on the water on the boat. So I decommission and turn it off. This is how you do it. Step 1, shut off the breaker. Alright, there's your breaker. And you cut off your breaker. Mine has two breakers on it. And the second thing you're gonna do is take the drain cap off. Right there. You take that off and you let that sucker drain overnight. Yeah, give it at least 24 hours. No rush. Alright. The next thing we're going to do is I get out this big old vacuum here. We're going to be using that vacuum in a second. So mine's been draining overnight. Well, let's take it off and see how much we got left in there. So, not too bad. Come on, camera. Can't tell if you're focusing. Oh, there you go. So that's how much water we got left. From a little less than 24 hours overnight. Alright, let's get this cover off. Alright guys, well the next phase you can do in two ways. You can take your hand and push the water out and just let it drain through the drain if you wanted to do that. This probably, if I was going to do it this way, I probably should have done it earlier, about an hour, maybe really about 2-3 hours ago, so it could have drained back out. And the other way is just using your vacuum. You vacuum the water out of the seats and out of the bottom till you get it all out. Okay, had to go reset my breaker. You can only vacuum and get the vacuum. So depending on your vacuum, as you can see, that only took me probably about 30 seconds to vacuum that little bit. Then I got to empty my vacuum. So I might have to empty my vacuum about 20 times here. Alright, I'm going to empty that. Actually, I guess I'll let you see how to empty the vacuum. Just open up this right here. There she blows. Out she goes. You get your, that's a 14 gallon, so you get your 14 gallons out and you do the next 14 gallons until you're all empty. Takes about 30 seconds to unload, I'm guessing. Never really timed it. Still going. Still going. Okay, put your cap back on. And now we need to vacuum some more. Where are we going to go after that area? And I'll crank her up again. you see, that's only my second time. And I'm ready to unload it. Actually, all that's empty in the seats. Just got to do the bottom half base. Let's get that out of there. There she goes, unload the water. Anybody wants a little bit more of a close-up, there you go. That's water coming out of a vacuum. It's pretty warm too. Coming out of a hot tub, I wonder. So, like I say, just to give you an idea, it's pretty much empty other than what's down there in the bottom. Yeah, you see, that's about all that's left. That's what we're gonna get out now. Alright, let's go for that then. So I said 20 times, but in reality it shouldn't take me no more than 4. It's almost empty now. Alright, I'm gonna unload that and we're gonna get down to the last little bit. Alright, one more back and we'll be done. Only took me 4. Alright, so it wasn't even a whole 4, we just say 3 1/4 with a 14-gallon rigid shop vac, and you can empty all the leftover residual water that was left from the gravity drain, and like that your hot tub is empty. I almost forgot, guys, one last thing, don't forget to put your cap back on your hot tub. Make sure you don't get no bugs up in there. Alright, see you next video.